Good morning. I am Dr. S. Joseph Dominic Vijaykumar, Associate Professor from Mechanical Department, SSM Institute of Engineering and Technology, Dindigul. Today's session, we are going to discuss about projection of straight lines. In the projection case, the straight line is the important one. In the examination point of view, compulsory we expect one question from the projection of straight line. In the projection of straight line, we are having the 6 categories. First one, line perpendicular to HP and then parallel to VP. Last class we discussed about only one point, but in this case we consider a straight line. The straight line having two end points. One is the bottom end, one is the top end. The bottom end is the point denoted as a A. The top end is point B. In our case, the line perpendicular to HP. For an example, this is ground plane, this is the vertical plane. Otherwise, the board is the vertical plane, our ground is the horizontal plane. Now, our concept is line perpendicular to horizontal plane. For an example, this is the horizontal plane. We have placed one straight line or any one solid or any one object like this. This is the parallel or 0 degree angle. From that 0, 10, 20, 30 up to 90 degree we have tilted from the horizontal plane. So, this is the horizontal plane, this is the 90 degree vertical line. In the first angle projection, we already discussed that observer, object, screen. So, the object is placed in between the observer. Observer means there is a human eye. Object, that image of the object, it should be projected on the projection plane. That projection plane, it may be screen or it may be the glass. Simply say, look like it is a transparent device or element. So, this is the initial position that object. For an example, we take one problem. A line AB 50 mm long is 20 mm above HP. So, a line AB 50 mm long, end A is 20 mm above HP and 25 mm in front of VP. The line is perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. Draw its projections. So, first we think that is the plane, horizontal plane, that is the vertical plane. From horizontal plane, we kept perpendicular the line above 20 mm. from the horizontal plane. So from 20 mm from the horizontal plane, we locate the line from 20 mm like this. In the front view, the observer eye rays should pass through the two ends of the line A and B. That image focused on the screen. So in the front view, we must attain one straight line. So we draw the XY line. Apart from that, the location of the straight line 20 mm above HP. Front view, we attain the straight line. Straight line distance is 50 mm. The end point are A dash, B dash, because front view we denote the A dash, B dash as well as. Similarly, the location of the straight line should not be changed. At the meantime, the observer should view the object on the top of the object. So, from that top view, we attain only one point, that is a top end point. The total line visible by a small point only. The point can be located. The straight line should be projected by using the thin line up to 30 mm in front of VP. So from XY line, we notate 30 mm from the XY. On that line, we denote the point that is attained in the top view. The name of the point B dash, so we denoted B is the visible point. But there is another one point is there, A point, that is the invisible. It should be placed in the bracket. Similarly, we note the dimensions also. That is, line distance is 50 mm. End A 20 mm above HP. Similarly, 30 mm in front of VP. That's all in the first category. In the second category, the same location changed to other condition. The second condition is that line perpendicular to VP parallel to HP. Perpendicular to VP parallel to HP. In the first method, what is the view obtained in front view and top view should be interchanged. How is it possible? For an example, similarly, that is a vertical plane, that is a horizontal plane. We have a line, same problem, 20 mm above HP, 25 mm in front of VP, the line length AB is 50 mm, but the condition is the line perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP. So we have the line, that line from vertical plane 25 mm in front. So from vertical plane we have 25 mm distance. From that distance we have a point. End A is 25 mm. So in front of vertical plane the point is A. The other end point is B. Now the line perpendicular to vertical plane. The line, we have extended the line to the vertical plane. Exactly it should be 90 degree to the vertical plane. So similarly, from horizontal plane, the end point A is 20 mm above HP. So that is the final location of the object. Now we attain through the front view or top view. In the top view condition, only we attain the true shape of the object, that is the line. In the front view, we have viewed only the total line as a single point. So first we have to draw the top view first. The line XY. Similarly, 20 mm above HP, 25 mm in front of VP. So we draw the thin line, 20 mm, Similarly, we draw the 25 line mm distance. Now in the top view we attain the we got the straight line. So at any one point we draw the true length of the 50 mm line in the top view. The point is A, the point is B. Project the top view line to the front view. In that point, in front view, we attain only the point only. That point is, for an example, this end A, this end B. So we have seen the object. The point B only is the visible. So point B, in front view we use the B dash. So A dash point is invisible. This is the category 2. in addition to that, we draw the true length line 50 mm. That's all in the category 2. Now we are going to discuss about third category, the line both parallel to both HP and VP. Line parallel to both HP and VP. For an example, that is a ground plane, that is a vertical plane. The intersection of horizontal plane and vertical plane, that line is a XY. From XY, we have extended the horizontal line. In the topward movement, from XY, we have extended the vertical plane in the y direction. Now we have one line. First case perpendicular to HP, second case perpendicular to VP. Now that line should be parallel to both horizontal plane as well as the vertical plane. So that line should be parallel to XY simply. If we extended the line towards the downward direction or horizontal direction, that parallel to HP. In the y direction, it should be parallel to vertical plane. So same problem is there. XY line and 20 mm above HP. At the same time, we note the dimensions also 20 mm. Similarly, 25 mm line in front of VP, 25 mm. That is the final position of the line based on our condition. So in the front view, the straight line view obtained. So two end corners A and B visible. Similarly, in the top view, we have also attained the same straight line, that same 2 points A and B. So front view, that is a front view, vertical plane, that is a top view, horizontal plane. So simply put as point A, first front view, point A, second one is the point B, A dash, B dash. Two end corners is visible. Now the front view line is projected to the vertical plane. That line is A and B. That is a true length. Is the true length. The true length dimensions also to be noted in your answer script, 50 mm. So these are three methods are the basic criteria for the projection of straight line. Another three methods based on the inclination. It should be discussed on the next class. Thank you.